Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Translation Workbench and Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to have our translation bench that would be enabled in our setup. So go to the setup menu and setup, and then just in the quick find, search for translation. So we choose translation, and here we will find the translation language settings. From here, you will need to enable the translation workbench. After that, you will need just to add all your supported languages or the languages that you want to translate. So for example, I'm going to add Spanish uh, language, for example, or Russian or any language, and then you will need just to identify the translator for this language. You can search for users or some groups that you have, and then you will need to add them so they can be able to translate. So here I'm just going to save, and now I am responsible or the translator for this language. Then I will need just to search for translate, where we can start translating, and here we find translate. So basically here we have the Russian or all the languages that we have defined in the translation language settings, and then you will need just to choose the components that you want to translate. And after that you choose the object, and then you will find all the informations about these components. So if you go to the global setup or any components that has something to records to translate, we will be, for example, record type, and from here we choose any uh, object, and from here we can search for address country or for example the custom field, and from here we choose something, for example account relationship, and for example this is the field label translation. So you will need just to translate relationship strength in your language or target language, which is the Russian in this case. You will need just to type whatever you like, so something, the translation, and then you save it, and you will have your translation that will have been added successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.